MCQ number 1. This came in NEST 2009. Okay, first one. A cubical region, size of 2 units, is bounded by 6 surfaces x equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to plus or minus 1, z equal to plus or minus 1, which together constitute a closed surface S. It is found that the net electrostatic flux through S, phi S is 0. The volume of the cube is divided into 4 regions. Region number 1, x between 0, 1, y between 0, 1, z between negative 1 and positive 1. Region 2, x between negative 1 and 0, y between 0 and 1, z between negative 1 and positive 1. Okay. Then region 3, negative 1 less than x less than 0, negative 1 less than y less than 0, negative 1 less than z less than 1, and the fourth one, 0 less than x less than 1, negative 1 less than y less than 0, negative 1 less than z less than 1. It is found that mod phi 1 is not equal to mod phi 2. We can conclude that. Option A. There are no charges anywhere in S since phi is 0. At least one of the regions 1 and 2 have charges present. Option C. At least one of phi 3 and phi 4 is non-zero. D. Mod phi 1 plus mod phi 2 plus mod phi 3 plus mod phi 4 is positive. Okay. Look, this is a clear problem on Gauss law and the concept of electric flux. Okay. Now let me zoom in a bit. To understand the cubical figure. Okay. Look, this is x-axis. This up is y-axis, and this is our z-axis. Okay, this is our z-axis. Okay, and what they have done is, they have divided this particular cube into four pieces, which have xy plane as the mid plane. Okay, which have xy plane as their mid plane. Have you visualized it?
Okay.
That means if we take our quadrants, then this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. And then what you have to do is you have to just consider some space on our side of the screen and on the other side of the screen. Is it clear? That is how that cube has been built. Yes? Correct? Okay. So if you understand that, then I don't think the problem is difficult. It is, by the way, it is a multiple select question. So we have to consider each and every option. Okay, we have to consider the validity of each and every option. Okay. What is given to us is phi s is 0 is given to us. Phi s is equal to 0 is given. But additionally they have also given that mod of phi 1 is not equal to mod of phi 2. Okay, mod of phi 1 is not equal to mod of phi 2. Have you got this part?
Yes, sir.
Now, this tells us something. When mod of one quantity is not equal to mod of some other quantity, what can we logically conclude? It follows that at least one of them is non-zero. So it could be either phi 1 or phi 2 or both. Raise your hands if you have understood that. It follows that at least one of them is not equal to 0. That means either 1 or 2 or both contains non-zero net charge. Raise your hands if you understood this. Either 1 or 2 or both the regions contain non-zero net charge or charges. Right? Now let us come to the options. Is option A right? There are no charges anywhere in S since phi is 0. No, A is not right. Because if there were no charges inside, phi 1 should be 0, phi 2 should be 0. Right? But what does it mean? it means it contradicts the result that they have already given us, which means option A is not right. Raise your hands if option A is clear. Is option B right? At least one of the regions 1 and 2 have charges present? Yes. Yes. Because, well, that's what, see, that's where mathematics is going to help you. When I say mod of phi I is not equal to mod of phi, well, mod of phi 1 is not equal to mod of phi 2, I am inherently saying that at least one of them should be non-zero. By Gauss law, it follows that one of them should enclose a non-zero net charge. Okay. Now let us go to option C. At least one of phi 3 and phi 4 is non-zero. What do you think? Will C be right, or will C not be right? What do you think?
Not necessarily.
At least one of phi 3 and phi 4 is non-zero. It should be true. See, if I am saying that mod phi 1 is not equal to mod phi 2, okay, can I say with guarantee? Can I say with guarantee that phi 1 plus phi 2 is non-zero? Yes. Phi 1 plus phi 2 non-zero follows from this. But phi 3 and phi 4, when all of them are added, we are getting 0. Therefore, C is also right. C is also right. How about D? Sorry. How about D? Mod of phi 1 plus mod of phi 2 plus mod of phi 3 plus mod of phi 4 is greater than 0? Yes, that's true. Because mod of any real number is greater than or equal to 0, and we have again from the blue star, at least one of the 4 fluxes is not 0, and therefore mod of phi 1 plus mod of phi 2 plus mod of phi 3 plus mod of phi 4 should be positive. Have you understood this? So 3 options are right. B, C and D. B, C and D all are right. B, C, D, A not right.